Hello dear student, I am Varun Kumar Nishad from LPM school. In previous video, we are discuss different topics on the acid and bases. So on this topic, we have some questions are given in our book, and so question is that why do HCl, HNO3, etc. Why do HCl, HNO3, etc. show acidic character? So acidic character. So acidic character in aqueous solutions. In aqueous solutions. In aqueous solution. While solution of compound like alcohol and glucose, do not show acidic character. Do not show acidic character. So you can able to answer of this question because if you remind that when we are discuss the topic is that what all acids and all bases have in common, and on this basis we are perform an activity, and on the basis of activity we are concluded that the all acidic and all bases are common, but glucose and alcohol are covalent organic compound, and they did not free electron framework, and that's why they did not have any acidic character. So that's why in case of, we have to give the answer, in case of HCl, HNO3, etc., they have H plus ion in aqueous solution. Please, dear student, do not confuse during the talking of H plus ion and hydronium ion. The H plus ion in the presence of ये आयरन नेल, जब आयरन नेल के प्रेजेंस में दो आयरन नेल थी और एक आयरन नेल एनोड से जुड़ा था और दूसरा आयरन नेल जो है वह कैथोड से जुड़ा था, और उस बेसिस पे को सोल्यूशन हमने ऐड किया था, तो उस बेसिस पे हम H प्लस आयन की बात करेंगे. बट अगर आप वाटर को एसिड को वाटर में डिसॉल्व कर रहे हैं तो हाइड्रोनियम आयन को रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे. So here is a H plus ion in aqueous solution, and so electricity, but glucose and alcohol, they are organic covalent compound, and that's they do not show the free electron framework, and they did not conduct the electricity. and they did not also show the H plus ion and hydroxide ion. So in this way we have concluded that the acid show the H plus ion, but glucose and alcohol, they did not show any H plus ion or OH minus ion because they are organic covalent compound. Now we will see another question. That is, another question is, why does an aqueous solution, why does an aqueous solution, now let's take another answer because another question, because it answer has been already done in the previous question. Now, why does dry HCl gas, why does dry HCl gas not change the color of, not change the color of the dry litmus paper, the dry litmus paper? Now, if you remind that during the performance of the activity is that what happens when acid or bases are in water solution. So we are already discussed this activity. So if you remind that during the evolution of hydrogen gas, we take the, now it will be answered that the dry HCl gas did not contain hydrogen ion in it. When it come in contact with wet blue litmus paper, it convert or it change the color of blue litmus into red litmus paper. So dry HCl gas did not contain hydrogen ion in it. When it come contact with wet जो होता है वो water contain होता है, contain water contain क्या रहता है, blue litmus paper, it change the color of blue litmus into red litmus because the hydrogen gas come in contact with wet litmus paper, it converted into gas to aqueous, and aqueous it releases it change their hydrogen ion, and after changing the hydrogen ion it change the color of blue litmus paper. Now another question, why we added water so why we add into water during dilution and acid? So during water add add into acid, it is highly exothermic reaction and cause severe burn. That's why we prefer to add acid into prefer to add acid in water during dilution of an acid. So it is the reason behind it. During the water add into acid, it is highly exothermic reaction and cause severe burn. That's why we prefer to add acid in water during the dilution of an acid. Now we will take next question, which is, so question is that how is the concentration of hydronium ion, that is H3O plus, affected when a solution of an acid is diluted? So it is a simple, the concentration of hydronium ion, that is H3O plus, decreases when a solution of an acid is diluted. So the concentration of hydronium ions, that is H3O plus, get decreases. जो concentration होता है H3O plus का, वो decrease हो जाता है, घट जाता है when a solution of an acid is diluted. So in this way we are able to give the answer of these questions. So another question is homework for you. How is the concentration of hydroxide ion? How is the concentration of hydroxide ion, that is OH minus, affected when excess base is dissolved. Excess base is dissolved in a solution. Solution of sodium hydroxide. In a solution of sodium hydroxide. It is homework for you, student, and I hope you have done. Another aspect we will discuss in the next video.